How to change the call screening, language, and voice style on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the phone application. In here, tap on the menu button at the top corner. Then from the pop-up menu, tap on Settings. In Call Settings, we go down and tap on Call Screening. Now scroll down and then tap on Language. In here, you can choose a different language. If you want to download more languages, just scroll down the list and tap on the download button next to the language that you would like to use. Okay, here I've got Korean, English United States, English Australia. So select a language and tap on the back key. In here you can choose a voice for that language.
통화 스크리닝 내용이 이 속도로 들립니다.
Okay, so let's test it out. So if I receive a call, an unknown call.
안녕하세요. 통화 어시스턴트입니다. 본 통화는 내용이 녹음됩니다. 전화 거신 분의 성함과 용건을 알려주세요.
Okay, so that's the language that we have changed to Korean language. And that's it. So that's how you can change the call screening language on the Galaxy S26 series. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.